You and I, as followers of Jesus Christ, have tools to deal with life that don't exist outside of the church, that just don't exist outside of the family of God and those who follow Jesus Christ. There is so much right now inside of our culture that turns difficulty and suffering into perpetual victimhood. It actually locks people into those roles. But what if the church learns how to take suffering and turn it into a path to Jesus, and a path to healing, and a path ultimately to resurrection and transformation? An actual path out of suffering, an actual path to hope and to change. The one who looks at us in those moments and says, listen, I am the resurrection and the life. God in flesh lost a friend to death. He saw the pain that it caused, and he wept. Jesus is no disconnected mystic who says things like, suffering is an illusion. This is the God who gets angry at death, goes to the cross, and conquers it so that we might live. That's this God. That's this Jesus.